Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. Embrace your hustle. It's the fuel behind the young St. Catherine couple's drive as they aim to build generational wealth. With your ray of hope, here's Kian Morgan.
If your ego is bigger than your bank account, sometimes you just have to reevaluate your life.
For 21-year-old Cleo Jones, it's not just a phrase, but a mantra which keeps him grounded as he works towards growing his business and building his future. 5 months ago, all this was just a dream for Cleo and his girlfriend Otina Lawman, who decided to flip the profits they made from a cake sale back in December.
Instead of, spending it on things that wouldn't bring back any money, so we decided that we're going to start a poultry farm.
With their experience as well as the demand for chicken and eggs, the two decided to start with 100 chicks. The business has grown significantly since. Cleo says while they both work a 9 to 5, it's important to have multiple streams of income.
If it is that you want to build generational wealth, you have to start by breaking generational curses, right? So I basically studied and observed patterns, from my families, etc., relatives, and I saw the mistakes that they made, and I decided that I don't want to have to learn by making that mistake. I want to learn from their mistake.
Cleo says his drive developed at 16 years old after losing his father.
So I had to, boss up real early and become the breadwinner for the family.
All this while juggling school.
I had to start making lemonades and selling lemonades at school. I remember days leaving school, stopping by Coronation Market to buy lime, and then going to the wholesale to buy granulated sugar, then heading to the bottle factory to grab bottles, and after that I would probably study for exams when I'm through.
Otina Lawman says that she's not daunted by stereotypes or stigmas.
Most young females like I am or even younger wouldn't want to be in a chicken coop where it's smelly and all, but anything that you can invest in to know that you're going to have a better future, especially for your kids, just do it. And
while their business is still in its first year, the couple is aiming to build a slaughterhouse by year end.
So the ultimate goal is to pass on something major to my kids, and I want to make sure that I can supply hotels, I can supply cruise ships, I can supply large restaurants.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kian Morgan. A ray of hope.